What if you were trapped in a freezing snowstorm with your child? Your body immediately shifts into survival mode, protecting both of you. To conserve heat, blood leaves your skin and rushes to your core. You hold your child close, sharing body heat through direct contact. But as minutes pass, shivering drains your energy fast. Your brain makes a critical decision: keep moving or risk freezing. Movement keeps blood flowing, delaying hypothermia for both of you. In freezing storms, survival isn't just strength, it's protecting the smallest life beside you.